today we are getting our garden started. We're revitalising this area, our garden space. We want to really revitalise our garden and grow it so that it will not only feed our families through our food parcels, but allow the community to come in and give back to each other. And so today we've got our working day. We've got a bunch of people that are passionate not only about our God who's given us this land, but also about giving it to the community, giving back to the community through kind.
How we love, I suppose, people, we want that to be reflected in how we love people through food. You know, when I think about gardens, I think about a system that our tupuna already were very well aware of, and then along the way we've kind of lost it, and that's reflected in our high obesity levels, diabetes, etc., and all of those things. So we want to return back to our old practices, and just acknowledge and validate that those ways of well-being actually support us to be more healthier, and we want that for our children.
We always get fruit and veggies, so sometimes we have to purchase it, and we had other people there were saying, hey, look, why don't we just have our own garden at the back here so that we could just pull from here and we could just put it in our food parcels, but also be able to feed the community. Also when they came in, they would see how it's done, and we could empower them also.
The idea is to start something here that we can also do with families in their little backyard or something. So we're excited about it. So come and check it out.